Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can make calls with Hey Google Gemini voice assistant even on your phone lock screen. See, when you try to give a voice command to call a person from your contacts, giving the voice command to Gemini here, it will say like first unlock your phone, then give the voice command, something like that. So this is because of the one setting which is disabled in Gemini settings. You need to turn on the settings, open Gemini app on your mobile. Don't find these options in the phone settings. Okay, you won't find this in the phone settings, but instead you need to open Google Gemini app on your mobile. Then you need to click on your profile picture, then click on the settings here, and under here you see here there is a option called Gemini on lock screen. You need to turn on tap on this, and you need to enable this option. See, I'll read it for you. Make calls and send messages without unlocking. Once you enable this option, do one thing. Just give a testing call, asking something like, hey Google, call to Adam in the contacts list, something like that. Call to Adam, something like that. Even on your lock screen, the call will go, means Google Gemini will make a call for you. So please do test it, and once you test it, come back to this video and please do comment whether it's worked for you or not. And I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.